Hold on.
There you go. Hey guys, what's going on? This is Paul. Got the beautiful Samantha here with me today.
Hi!
What are we doing today, honey?
Korean style barbecue meatballs with noodles.
With noodles. Gosh, do I love me some Korean food. I am so excited today. How about you, honey?
Yeah. What inspired you, honey?
You tell me.
Just so random at all times.
You're the most random person I've ever met in my entire life.
Right.
Right. Have you ever tried filming with this person before?
Just be natural.
What inspired this one?
I love my international food. I love my pasta. Can't get enough Korean barbecue, so I put them all together and made a love baby.
Love baby. I love babies, let me tell you. And I think those love babies are coming out in the form of Korean meatballs tonight. I'm so excited, I'm so hungry, I cannot wait to get cooking. This one sounds delicious. You ready to go cook?
Let's cook. Hi! Is that true?
Like 2 levels down. That's gonna be louder if she goes to level 10.
Okay.
Hey guys, what's going on? All right, we're over here. We're gonna start getting this sauce going. All right, what do we got going into this, honey?
All right, so we are starting with the oil. 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
Okay.
Well, let's get some heat on first.
I was gonna say that's gonna help, right?
Yeah.
All right, what do we got going in here next?
1 leek slice. Gonna saute that for a few minutes. I minced some fresh garlic. Gonna add that next. All right, next we are adding some grated ginger, about a tablespoon. 1/4 cup of sherry.
Beautiful.
Let that cook out for a minute. Worcestershire.
Worcestershire, 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 Worcestershire.
Like, which is it?
Which is it? Comment down below. Does anybody know how to actually say it? I say Worcestershire.
All right, so I'm going to add a tablespoon. My favorite international ingredient is Gochujang, which is a spicy Korean chili paste. It's made from miso. It's pretty much miso. It's miso. It's a spicy miso sauce. All right, so I'm going to add 1/4 cup of gochujang. Adding 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to get your sweet element in there. And then we got 1 can of tomato sauce, 15 ounces. Is this too spicy for you? I can add more brown sugar. It's going to cook out, and it's also going to be tossed with pasta.
Whew.
Too spicy?
No, it's beautiful.
Alright, so we're going to let this simmer for about 20 minutes.
You're telling me I have to wait 20 minutes to eat these delicious balls?
Yes. We're going to preheat the oven to 425 for our meatballs.
And what are we doing next?
Meatballs!
Yeah, let's get on it.
Because we're goofy?
As long as you do a Korean meatball dance with me.
It's not recording?
It is.
Scared me there.
Don't do that.
I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh. I saved her with my foot.
My ribs. Take 3.
100?
Okay. So we have a pound of ground beef, 1/2 pound of ground pork. I already minced some garlic, about 3 cloves, and a tablespoon of ginger. Already in there. So now we're going to add. Is it a turn top? No, but it's a fluffy top.
Careful there. Don't hurt yourself.
Okay. So 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Again, I do not measure, so you can definitely measure if you would like. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil.
I love Korean food. It's like all the best flavor profiles.
I know, it's so salty and like
sweet and sour and spicy.
It has like all the taste buds and you're like,
yeah, it hits all the notes. Yeah. It's beautiful.
2 tablespoons of soy sauce.
What's next?
Minced up some scallions. Toss those in. Half a cup of panko breadcrumbs. And then 1 egg, lightly beaten. And then just some salt and pepper, about a tablespoon.
And there you go. Mix it all up and you got yourself some delicious meatballs.
All right, and then I got a mini ice cream scoop I'm going to use to scoop some balls. Ready to form some balls?
Oh, I've never been ready for some balls more in my entire life.
So excited. Paul, you love balls!
I'm definitely putting Paul, you love balls at the end of this video.
Yeah, you should.
Let's get balling.
So I have a sheet pan here, parchment lined, so the meatballs do not stick. Gonna take my mini ice cream scoop, scoop it into little balls. Little cuties. Look at those balls. So now that we got our meatballs all formed, I'm going to drizzle with some olive oil. Get them brown on top. And then stick them in the oven for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna glaze it with the sauce.
Oh, stick them in. I can't wait for this.
Also start your pasta water while your meatballs are in the oven. Dish time Q&A!
Okay guys, so here we go with Dish Time Q&A. So the question today that I have for Samantha is, if there was one thing that you could not go without in life, what would it be, honey?
Coffee.
Coffee?
Coffee.
Really? It's not food, huh?
No.
Wow, okay. Why coffee?
It's the #1 thing I look forward to in the morning. It's when I get to do my list for the day, my to-dos. It gives me that extra push of energy.
It's your wake me up.
Yeah, my wake me up.
I mean, just like everybody else. I mean, if you're drinking coffee in the morning, I mean, you know why it's coming.
Yep. All right, so the 10 minutes is up. I'm going to glaze my meatballs. And let that cook for another 5 minutes. While my meatballs are baking, I added my pasta.
Okay, let's see what those things look like. Oh, look at those things. Hold on, let me get the focus there. Beautiful. Look at those meatballs.
Fork it.
Oh, I'm gonna fork it, all right. Here, come here. Let's talk to the people about these things. Oh, are you ready for this? Burn face time. Ha, ha, ha. Oh my God, that just came out. Oh.
It's so hot.
Stop it. It's got that sweet and spicy, you know, Korean barbecue flavor that everybody looks for. Oh my gosh, talk about this. I need to get another one of these.
Garlicky, gingery, sesame-y.
I'm not gonna wait till dinner, I swear. Like, these are all gonna be gone. Are there gonna be any left by the time we get done?
Dad, keep eating them all.
I don't know. I'm gonna stick all the balls in my mouth. Oh, it's so hot. It burns so good. Oh, it's so worth it. All right, I am so ready to eat right now. Are we ready here? We got the noodles strained.
Yep. Your half a cup starchy water to toss with the pasta and the sauce. So I'm going to add that in.
All right, and then just pour the sauce in, right?
Yep.
Are we gonna save any for the top?
Yes, definitely save about 1/4 cup.
Okay.
All right, so here it is.
Oh my gosh. You guys see this?
Oh, look at those balls.
Oh, looks delicious.
Saucy.
Oh my gosh, will you hurry up? I am so ready to get into this. I'm not waiting for you today.
Oh, you're not?
No.
Usually it's the opposite.
Man, it's so spicy. It's got that that barbecue Korean spice. That gochujang really comes through. I don't know about you, but I'm gonna start dancing.
It's like a sweet spicy though. It's not too spicy.
Oh no, that's
It doesn't
spicy.
overpower it.
No, and that's the thing. It comes through perfectly.
Yes.
I'll tell you what. If I was gonna make a Korean style spaghetti, this is exactly what you would want it to be. It is spot on with that Korean barbecue flavor. Fantastic flavor profile. You've got all the flavors coming through, the sweet, the spicy, the tangy.
Go make this now. This is a lovely fusion of spaghetti and meatballs.
I couldn't have said it any better myself. Food fusion's where it's at. If you like this dish, or you like any of the other dishes that we've made here on the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you've got any recipes that you'd like to see us try next, any food fusion that you guys want to take a look at, feel free, put it down in the comments. Make sure that you guys are subscribing as well. And we'll see you guys next time on the next episode of Let's Eat.
Bye.
See you guys.
Paul, you love balls!
I'm gonna stick all the balls in my mouth.